What's up, amazing ballroom dancers? Alexey is here and welcome to Ballroom with Alexey. Today, I'm super excited to practice a little bit of Chacha Fundamentals. So without any further ado, let's get right into that. Alrighty guys, so the whole point of this videos is to help you practice your fundamentals. So today we're going to do Chacha Fundamentals. We're going to dance mini routine for 2 8s. First 8 is going to be basic step. Second one is New York. Alright, so we're going to dance it slow, then we'll slow it down, and then we will slow down it even more. So remember, for the most efficient way of practicing, for the most effective way of practicing, I recommend to do it 3 times. First 2, practice with me, watching, following the video, and the third time, shut down the video and do it by your memory. So the best way to learn from the book is to close the book, okay? So let's open the book. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 more time, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Yay! Alright guys, so this is our mini routine. So now let's dance it slower, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, lock step back, 2, 3, chasse to the side, 2, check, cha-cha, 1, New Yorker, chasse and all over, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3 and cha-cha 1. Awesome, good. So now let's focus on the first 8 and let's slow down even more. So remember that in cha-cha we have the most accented beats are 1 and 3. So right now we're going to concentrate on emphasizing our count 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Yes, it's the emphasize, strongest beat, 1. Now we go 2, right away into the check, 3, transfer weight. Yes, that's another accent, so let's repeat this. We go 1, 3, one more time, 1, 2, 3. Now we go back with the lock step action, cha, cha, 1. Saddle and hip on 1, accented step. Now step back on 2, 2, step forward, 3. Right away moving to the side, 4 and 1. Okay, so one more time, let's do the basic step. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more time. 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, now step back on 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and chasse 4 and 1. I have more detailed video where I go in the depths of how we do lock step back and chasse to the side. You'll find them somewhere, either here, either in the description, okay? So make sure to check them out. So now we're going into the New Yorker. All right, 2, okay. So, cha-cha is the syncopated dance. So the difference between rumba is that we don't transfer full weight forward then back. We don't have time for that. So we need to practice sharp action going into the check. 2, 3, 2, 3, right? So we go 2, 3, back. Then we move with the lock step. Oh, chasse to the left. 4 and 1. Yes, settle and hip on 1 and we're turning, step forward on 2, 2, right away into the check. Yes, so turn out in your foot, tight, thighs are tight together, heel is up, make sure that it's on the inside edge of a ball, right? Try this again, and hop, inside edge. Yes, not there, inside. One more time, and 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, right? Good. So one more time, New Yorkers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 and 1. Awesome. So now one more time, all the routine, okay? So concentrate on your count 1 and 3, make them emphasized. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 8, and 1, 2, 3 from the top, 1, and 2, check, 3, lock, step, back, 2, 3, 4, hip, hop, settle on 1, 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, okay, so on 3, 2, back on 3, 2, back on 3, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 4, 1, tiki tiki boom, ta ta ta, ta 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 ta, sha, ta ta sha, ta ta. Alrighty, guys. Good. So now we're gonna do it to music. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and tiki boom, and 5, 1, 5, 1, TD 1, and TD 1, TD 1, TD 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, and and cheeky boom. Yay. Alrighty, guys, thank you very much for practicing with me. Hope you liked it, guys. I'm catching my breath. Enjoy dancing. I will see you very soon. Take care, have fun, subscribe, like.